Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me this week in this channel, and this is going to be a little bit of a different video. This is going to be a skincare video. I don't know what's been going on with my face and with my skin. I don't know if my body's changing or what, but I've had a rash on my face for a couple of days, and I've been doing research to see how to get rid of the rash, and what I came across is using honey and yogurt mask together. So this is what this video is about. It's about a DIY honey and yogurt mask to get rid of rashes, to get rid of acne, to help fight aging, to help fight wrinkles. And yeah, this is going to be a quick and easy video. This is going to be, I thought it was going to be a full week video, but it only took about 3 days for the rash to go away with using the honey and the yogurt mask, which is amazing. So for honey, I'm gonna read off my phone so I can get everything right. So for honey is great for acne. Honey is naturally antibacterial, so it is great for acne treatment and prevention. It's also good for aging, full of antioxidants. It is great for slowing down aging. It is also a complexion boost. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create glow. And then for yogurt can actually help in the anti-aging process. It also helps with chronic skin conditions such as acne and even eczema and rashes. The reason a yogurt face mask gives you glowing and youthful skin is all because of those healthy and wonderful nutrients that are present in yogurt. So honey and yogurt together helps with acne, helps with aging, it helps with inflammation on the face. It helps possibly with eczema and any skin conditions that you may have. You can try yogurt, and honey is great for complexion because it gives moisture to the skin and it plumps up the skin. So that's why I chose honey and yogurt, and I did it for about 4 days. And yeah, we're going to get right into the video.
So all you need is honey and yogurt for this face mask. You could buy any brand that you want. These other brands that I chose, I wanted to do raw honey because I read that it's better for your skin, and I just got the store-bought yogurt. You just mix it up and apply it to your face. I did not do any measurements. I just made enough to last me for today and tomorrow, and I just put it in the refrigerator.
I don't know if you can, yeah. You see this stuff. I don't know where these skin problems coming from. I've never had skin problems, I never had face problems, but I'm going to use this honey mask for about a week and see if it clears up my face. Now, I'm gonna go cleanse my face, go wash my face, cleanse my face, and come back and show you how I apply the mask. Alright, so this is my honey and yogurt mixture. Now you could put it in the refrigerator once you're done if you have extra left over, so that's what I'm gonna do. So what you just do, you just dip it and just put it on your face.
Leave the honey and yogurt mask on for about up to 30 minutes. I left it on for about 15 minutes.
Second full day that I'm applying the honey and yogurt mask, and you can see that my face is peeling a little bit. The texture is better and it's healing, which I'm very, very excited about. I did not know I can double use honey on my hair and on my face, so I just wanted to show you. So I'm gonna go wash my face, I'm gonna go cleanse it, and I'm gonna come back and put on the mask. Okay, so I have my mixture in here. I'm almost done with it. And I'm just going to take a spoon because it gets really messy, and then I'm going to apply it to my face. Okay, so I'm going to leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to come back and show you how it looks somewhat dry and when it starts getting sticky. And then I'm going to rinse it off, and we're going to continue on with the rest of the week. Alright, so this is how it looks on my face. It's very shiny and it's sticky. You see my face lifting up? So now I'm gonna go rinse it off and continue on with my moisture process. Now it rinses off very easy, so you don't have anything to worry about, even though it's sticky because it's dried down. It rinses off very easy. So I'm going to rinse it off, moisturize my face, prepare my face because I'm going out later. So unfortunately I need to put makeup on my face, so I need to make sure that my skin is prepared for the makeup to go on. I do this 2 times a day, so I definitely have to do this when I get home later tonight, no matter how tired I am, because I do not need my skin reverting back. So yes, I'm gonna go rinse this off, and then I'll see you tomorrow. This is gone. This is gone. The rash on my face is gone. Smooth as a baby's bottom. And yeah, so I'm gonna go do the honey mask one more time, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give my final thoughts on the honey mask.
Again, so I use this mask twice a day, in the morning and at night before I go to bed. I use this mask twice a day, and it worked wonders on my face. To remove the mask, I just take my washcloth and wet it with warm water and just take off the mask. It's very simple and it's very easy to take off your face.
Alright, so that was my video. That was my DIY honey and yogurt mask video. It's very simple, very easy. It's not that hard to do. I didn't get expensive yogurt. The honey, the raw honey, I read that it's best to use raw unfiltered honey, so that's why I got that. But if you want to save money, you could get regular honey. I mean, it's up to you. It's up to your pockets. I don't know your pockets, so whatever yogurt, whatever honey you want to use, you can use. But you can see that my face cleared up in a matter of 3 days. Today was the last day that I did it just to do it, but my face cleared up in 3 days. And it's crazy because I've never thought to put honey and yogurt on my face, and I don't need to go out and buy these expensive face masks when I can just make it in my kitchen. So yes, using a honey and yogurt mask is amazing. It cleared up my face. I have no rash. My face is smooth as a baby's bottom. The rash cleared up. I just have this bump that appeared, but that's new. That's going to go away. But the bump that was here went away, and around my mouth, the skin that was pulling around my mouth went away. The rash on my face went away. I'm very impressed with the mask. Again, it took only 3 days for my face to clear up when I was struggling with my face for a good week because I couldn't figure out how to get rid of the rash. I couldn't figure out how to stop the burning on my face. And using the honey and yogurt mask has healed my face. Now I just have to work on the dark marks. So for like the dark marks that the rash left, I think I'm going to use turmeric just on those spots because I've read that it lightens your skin tone, and I don't want my skin tone to be lightened. I want it to be brightened but not lightened. So I'm just going to do it on the dark areas. But for the honey yoga mask, amazing. I would recommend you trying it if you have any skin problems, if you get rash, if your face just feel dry and it's peeling and it's breaking and you're getting pimples on your face or acne or anything. If your skin is inflamed, I would suggest using honey and yogurt if you're not allergic to it. Just make sure you're not allergic to it. That's the only thing. You can't be allergic to it to try it, obviously. So yes, I am happy with the results. And let me know if you ever tried a DIY face mask. If it was aloe vera gel, if it was honey, if it was yogurt, if it was turmeric, if you tried turmeric, because I'm doing that this week and I will have that video out soon for you. But that's the next mask I'm going to try to get rid of these dark marks around this area here. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down in the comment section on what you think, or if you ever tried your own DIY mask, and if you do like honey or anything. And now I just found another way to use honey because I use it in my hair as well. So in my hair and on my face, double action for honey. And yeah, I'm just very excited, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share, and let's comment down below. Let's communicate in the comment section. And yes, I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Stay motivated, be inspired, Go after what you want, stay focused, and always remember why you're doing what you're doing. And until next time, my royals, be great.